The sum of the cubes of three numbers in the ratio 2:4:5 is 5319. Three numbers in the ratio 2:4:5. We know how to do this. 2x, 4x, 5x. We cube this. This becomes 2 into 2 into 2, 8x cube. 4 into 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64x cube. That's 125x cube. 125 plus 64 plus 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7, 1. 3 plus 6, 9. I told that this plus this plus this is 5319. Or 197x cube is 5319. We want to find x cube. So 5319 divided by 197. We can think of this as 200. 200 into 2 is 400. 200 into 3 is 600. So we'll go 2 times. 2 sevens are 14. 4, 1. 18 plus 1, 19. 9, 1. 394. Divide by this. 11 minus 4 is 7. 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. We talk about 1379. So 197 into something should be close to 1379. 200 into 7 is 1400. So maybe it is 7. Let's try that. 197 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9, 4. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 4, 67. 7, 6. 1379. Wonderful. So x cube is 27. X cube is 27. That means x is 3. Our three numbers are 2x, 4x, and 5x. The sum of the three numbers will be 2x plus 4x plus 5x, which is 6x plus 5, 11x. X is 3. 11x is 11 into 3, which is 33.